儀式感咧，英文叫 ambience， 即係個氛圍。
Light as air, demanding of time, and full of history, this unique sense of ritual includes, of all things, soufflé.
好似西餐係會 romantic 啲嘅氣氛啊、環境啊咁，都會製造一個咁嘅感覺咯。
咁以前食西餐佢可能會做到好靚啊。
覺得呢啲係豉油西餐，覺得呢啲係西餐。
This towering soufflé embodies Hong Kong's unconventional take on romance. For many locals, enjoying so-called soy sauce Western food was once the highlight of their year.
喺我細個嘅時候咧，你俾心機讀書，俾心機做嘢，爸爸媽媽就帶你嚟食，因為嗰時真係好窮咧，食唔起嘅。
Soy sauce Western food blends Cantonese ingredients with cooking techniques from the West. It's also named for its frequent use of soy sauce as a key seasoning. Made from fermented soybeans and enhanced with aromatics, soy sauce suits local palates. It's a flavor steeped in ritual and infused with Hong Kong's pragmatic spirit.
豉油西餐就係香港化嘅西餐，但係佢亦都係咁樣咧，就變咗係一個香港嘅特色。
Steak, pigeon, and chicken wings may be more affordable alternatives to classic Western fare, but each dish is still crafted with care. Attention detail reflects a pursuit of excellence. And when sound joins the dish, it can't get much better. Neither Chinese nor Western, yet somehow both. Labels don't really matter. This food is delicious, and that's the golden rule of Hong Kong cuisine.
比較幸運咧，我冇錢嘅時候佢係高級，我有啲錢嘅時候佢仲存在嘅。
即係香港經濟未開始起飛嘅時代，你去食西餐咧係好大件事㗎。因為我記得我細個嗰時候去嗰啲餐廳，譬如佢鋪晒白台布啊，擺晒啲刀叉啊，即係你去到一種係即係有少少遙不可及咁樣，即係。
Places like this hold hope for the future. They also carry the weight of nostalgia and memories.
我係好中意嚟到呢度睇下啲相嘅。嚇，原來咁㗎！係我細個我嚟過喎，要兒時回憶。
我哋餐廳個客人咧就老中青都有嘅，咁佢哋咧就好中意咧喺啲節日過嚟。好多客人咧，因為佢哋都食咗幾代啊，咁所以佢哋好中意咧係帶住自己啲仔女啊，甚至孫啊嚟喺度食飯，喺度懷舊啊、回憶啊咁樣。
You could say that time has shaped Hong Kong's food culture. Perhaps in return, food has fueled a drive to keep moving, evolving side by side with generations of Hong Kong people and their city.
I never had a soul fillet before. I never had that in the U.S. So it's my first time. It's my first time having it.
佢喺美國出世嘅，佢喺香港生活咗5年，細個。佢今次嚟想了解下、回憶下即係佢童年嘅。咁我帶佢嚟太平館餐廳。
You know, coming here is kind of like finding my roof. So, my family's from Hong Kong. So to me, this place Hong Kong has a very unique. It's a very unique place for me.